5 years ago, I would have never imagined I would be where I'm at today, driving a dream car of mine, going to the track with my dream car, working with amazing partners like Kies Motorsports, being part of an amazing community that supports each other. I'm excited where this car is going, and this review that I'm going to be posting today sets a milestone, a marker of where the car is going to be at in the future. So one of the things that I truly enjoyed about just driving this car out on the track was just its ability to handle so well out there. I mean, I'm learning how to take the M4 out to the track, how to, basically learn how this car handles. Now, one of the things that I really like about this car is that even at its OEM stage, I was able to experience the power and just the overall handling of an M car. This car is just amazing. I mean, I've gotten used to it on the OEM side of things, stock as it is, even with the stock wheels that comes factory from BMW, and it handled so well. It did well. I scrubbed a lot, I drifted a lot because the tread wear was not there, especially because it was a hot day. But I really enjoy this car to its fullest, and going out to the track is just something that I can even appreciate the car even more. With the Motons, I gotta say that it was a little frustrating to go out there and expect something different with the Motons because these coilovers basically changed the mechanical grip of my car. And what I mean by that is that I was used to the OEM suspension, how it handled, how the body adjusted, how the weight transferred. I had a very bad alignment, so I was used to a certain style of driving and handling out on the track. Now, in comparison to the Moton Coilovers, it basically felt like a brand new car, right? The way I took different turns on Willow Springs, streets of Willow running clockwise, when I took I think it was turn 4 or turn 3, I was so confident in taking it with my OEM setup that when I took it on this new setup, I did not control the car very well, and it was kind of frustrating. The turns that I was mostly comfortable in with the OEM setup, I became not that confident with this time around with the Motons with my first few sessions. After the third or even the fourth session, I think second to last sessions of the day, I finally got used to it, and I became so excited because I could definitely appreciate the car. It was planted on the ground properly, I would say. It just gave me less body roll, more response. The turns were a lot sharper, more predictable, and it made me just shave off 2 seconds after relearning the car all over again. Again, I only have 7 track days under my belt. I hit a 131. Actually, to reference, I hit a 140 on beginner day, went to a 137 a few track days later. I think it was 2 track days later. And then my last track session on the OEM setup was a 131. And then this time around with the Motons, I hit a 129, and I'm excited about that. My goal is to obviously go faster, but not too fast. I mean, this is my daily car. I do see my clients with this car, and I love just where this car is going. No, I'm not gonna do anything crazy like gut out the car and make it a full track race spec car. That's not the goal of this car. This build is to be a tasteful car out on the street, but also enjoy some track days. And with those track days in mind, I am gonna make sure that everything is in place to make sure I have a great time out on the track. My competitiveness does kick in, and I do want to improve my times because I am against myself. I am against my own time slots, and obviously a few friends out there that go out there and have way faster times. That's also the competitive edge. If you're looking for just a ride height adjustment, these coilovers will do that for you, because you could adjust your height you could adjust your ride height on this setup. The dampening control, which would control your stiffness, your reaction to when the springs settle, to absorb the hits on the floor. You do have control over that. Moton calls it rebound. It's what we're used to with dampening control, but Moton has their own setup where it's called rebound on the actual settings. So a few things to note with Moton is that you are paying for what you get for it. These are high quality, high caliber coilovers that you will experience a massive difference in both stability, handling, performance, mechanical grip. The car will feel more planted, and if you get it aligned and corner balanced, it just changes the whole game on how your car handles out on the track. Moton is a great investment. It's something that I believe you should do, especially for this type of car. If you have an M car, don't slap some crazy coilovers that are a knockoff. So get the real deal. It makes a world of a difference, guys. And then honestly, from the installation point, we did it in a few hours, right? So guys, I hope this brought you some value. I'm gonna show you the track video in another video, just the track itself and how I handled it. But I did want to just give you guys my review overall on the Motons, give you a clear understanding of the before and after with OEM and after installing it. I am so glad that this worked, and to our partners out there at Kies Motorsports, Gary and Brian, thank you so much, because honestly, I never in my wildest dreams would have thought that I would be here today with my M4, taking it out to the track, enjoying it for how it's supposed to be enjoyed, and being out there. Huge shout out to Augie and to AJ for helping me install the Motons, and Augie for all the coaching out there, for being with me on the track. You literally have helped me to be where I'm at today with my time because of good coaching. But guys, there's more track videos coming. I am planning another track day coming soon. If you're in SoCal, come through. These moments to take your car out on track, it is safe. Obviously there's risks. I can't promise you that you won't total your car, but if you're smart, careful, and if you are taking the right precautions and training, you will be fine. I've taken my car out there, and my car is almost a $100,000 car. It's a big investment. It is my work car. It is my daily. And hey, I'm almost at 8 track days. I'm approaching 10, and honestly, it's been a world of a experience to understand what these cars are capable of handling. So I totally recommend it. Even if you don't have an M car, take your 3 Series, take your 4 Series out there and just have fun. Learn what it is to be out on the track. Pick up a beginner session, because a lot of places offer beginner sessions, and you'll be able to do that. Anyways, guys, I'm ranting and I'm talking a lot, but thank you so much for sticking through this video. Highly recommend the Moton kits if you want to pick up a set of coilovers from Kies Motorsports. Hopefully they still have a few of these amazingly blue labeled Kies Motorsports coilovers. Hit the link in my description and you'll be able to get a few of those. But guys, thanks again. Hit the like button if you like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.